Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to withdraw your funds from GatesFX, step by step. Start by going to the left-hand menu and clicking on the Funds tab. From there, choose Withdraw Funds. The first thing you need to do is select the account you want to withdraw from. I'll choose my main wallet. Next, choose your withdrawal method. In this example, I'll select crypto. Now you'll see a section called Payment Details. Here, you need to select your crypto wallet. If you don't have a wallet added yet, click Upload Payment Details. Then select I want to upload, enter your wallet address, and choose your wallet currency. For example, you can add a Bitcoin address or any supported crypto. Once you've added your wallet, go back to Withdraw Funds, and you'll now see it available in the list. Select the wallet, click Continue, and you'll be taken to the final confirmation page. If you have available funds in your GatesFX account, you'll see the exact transfer details. Review everything carefully, and if all looks good, confirm the withdrawal.
And that's it. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.